subscribe, like this video, hit that little bell, and share. 4 things. Today, we're going to be making a peanut butter jelly sandwich. Yay! So we have the bread, and we have the peanut butter, and the jelly. And we have our knives. I use a butter knife, but Brooke uses this is a butter knife too. Yeah. Wait,
Yes.
is this?
Yes, they're both butter knives. One is longer than the other, but they use it because it is not sharp. Yes.
But look, this one is.
But don't play with the knife, so put it down.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the first thing we need is bread. Of course, we need bread to make a peanut butter sandwich. Wait, Mom, can we get 2? Get the bread. Get your bread.
Yes, ask Brooke how many pieces of bread do you need?
2 pieces of bread. We're not gonna make 2. We're gonna just get 2. And if you want 2 sandwiches, you split them in half.
Okay.
Because you don't want to waste it.
Wait,
No,
don't cut
not
it
yet. Oh, I think he was trying to cut the edges off these. Mommy, look, it has a hole in there. And this has a tiny Mommy, can you cut the skin off?
Just show them. We're just showing them how to make it, buddy.
And I'm gonna eat it. I wanna eat it.
Okay, we'll cut the edges off after you make it. Okay.
Okay. So the first thing we're gonna put on the bread is peanut butter. So I'm gonna get some peanut butter. I want the jelly and the.
Yes. So now you need a napkin so that you can wipe. Why do you need a napkin?
Then the peanut butter will get inside of the jelly.
Yes. Clean the knife so that the peanut butter doesn't get in the jelly.
Yeah. I'm done too.
So what's the next step?
We wipe it.
And then after we wipe it, we open the jelly.
Yeah, it's kind of hard. Mommy's gonna do it for us.
Oh, you can't open it, Brookie?
Oh, let's see.
See if Brookie can open it. Yeah, look at those muscles. Show everybody your muscles. Ooh, look at those muscles. Okay.
Now what's in this jelly?
What's in the jelly?
Blueberries and jelly.
There are, what kind of jelly? This is
It's blueberry.
blueberries. Blueberries and sugar
Jelly.
and
Wait, sugar's in it?
jam.
Well, good thing we have protein in it.
Protein in the peanut butter.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Wait, are they good for you?
Peanut butter jelly sandwich is pretty good. It's not like fruits and vegetables though.
I know. Mom,
Yeah.
you're gonna eat this. 'Cause I made
I'm
it.
gonna eat it. Oh, you're making this for me?
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds good. I can't wait to try it, buddy. Let's see how it's looking. Okay. We have the peanut butter on one slice of bread and the jelly on the other side. Great job. Great job. Now, some people like more jelly than others. And some people like more peanut butter than others. So Brooke, she doesn't like too much jelly on her sandwich. So she's keeping it very thin on her bread. Blake, on the other hand, likes a lot of jelly on his, so he's slapping it on there.
Slapping it. Okay, now I'm gonna put this on the other one.
Yeah.
Okay, now the last thing is to cut it, guys.
Good job. Yeah. Let's see. Good job.
Alright guys, are you ready for me to try it?
Yes, I'm ready for you to try it.
Eat it though.
Wait, let's try it together. Blake, are you almost done cutting yours?
Yeah, let me cut it. I'm not gonna eat it.
You don't want to taste it though? No?
Then that means Blake didn't like it the first time he tried it.
Oh.
I only like it without the skin. Mom can cut it out.
Okay, Brookie, you try yours. Let's see how you like it.
3, 2, 1. It's so good.
Good. Great job, Brookie. Oh yeah, so you're taking the skin off. Okay, now try it, buddy. No? You still don't want to?
I made it for you.
Okay.
Wow, the peanut butter.
All right.
Let's about to go to
Say thanks.
Boy Scout.
Yes, he's heading to Boy Scouts, so we need to go right now.
Okay. Well, see you next time, and I hope you like this video. Bye.
Bye. Say bye, buddy.
Bye. Put it on our dinner.
What is going on?
Mine is almost gone.
Oh yeah, we have to get more. I'll get some more, okay?
Got it from Publix.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.